Among Us Purple from episode 1 and episode 2. In a future video, I'm gonna use this as episode 3. And here is the box. 6 plus 44 pieces. At the back, we have the characters, collectibles, 2 mysteries, and the instructions, all of this. Among Us. Here's the instruction for the crewmate. Now let's get started in 3, 2, 1. And we're back. Here's the Among Us. Here it is. With the baby crewmate. Wait, where is it? The baby crewmate. Oh, they're doing the task. They're just doing my task. I'm just faking a task. I will rule the world. Come on, baby crewmate. Let's go. And also, we have these extra pieces just in case something gets loose. And I made a secret hat. I'll show you. Wait. Here's the secret hat. You put it on your player. Here's the secret hat in the box. And that wraps up the video. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, subscribe, and goodbye. Also, if we hit 50 subscribers, I will reveal my face. So bye-bye.